Hey, this is Sean Smith. I've been in the coaching industry for over 18 years. We've made millions and millions of dollars. I got into the industry before there was social media, before Facebook was even a thing, before we had all the algorithms and all the things that we have nowadays. And I've seen the industry go up and down. I've ridden literally all the waves of this coaching industry. And one major thing has stuck out to me, which is important for you on your journey as a coach, or if you want to elevate your coaching, influence your leadership, and of course your business, and for your clients. Here's the thing. Information is virtually useless when it comes to changing people's lives. Information never has changed a life. Information never will change a life. The only thing that will change anybody's life, your journey on your coaching path, as well as your clients' journeys, is implementation, which leads to transformation. That's the only thing that will ever do it. So if you are studying and training to be a high-level coach, you need to prioritize implementation that will lead to transformation. Everything else is going to be useless. Everything else is going to be a waste of time. More and more information to flood the cells of our intellectual minds will not help. In fact, it will do more harm than good. So because of all of that, we're going to do a two-part challenge. The first part of the challenge is I'm going to teach you one of the most powerful and one of the simplest transformational coaching skills that you're going to be able to implement right away. I'm going to teach the concept underneath it. I'm going to teach the context. I'm going to teach when to use it, when not to use it, and how to use it so effectively that you're going to be able to implement it easily after I teach this to you. And then I'm going to invite you to try it on several people after part one of our training challenge is done. This is called the Coach's Growth Challenge. We want you to grow in your capacity. We want you to grow in your certainty. We want you to grow in your conviction, and we want you to grow in your coaching skills so that you can help other people transform their lives. So I'm going to teach you all of this in the first part of this challenge. You're then going to implement it with a few people or more, as many as you want. Depends on how many transformations you want to give out. And then we're going to come back together a few days later, and I am going to answer all of your FAQs. And I don't mean frequently asked questions. I mean all of your from action questions. After you implement what I train you to do, after you implement this particular coaching technique, you pay attention to the things that I'm going to tell you to pay attention to. Then you're going to come back and you're going to ask questions based on your implementation. And part two of this challenge is where we're going to take your embodiment and your understanding of this particular tool to a whole nother level. And I guarantee that your certainty as a coach is going to increase. And when your certainty as a coach increases, then your value as a coach increases. And when your value as a coach increases, your ability to get coaching clients and your ability to charge prices that are a little bit higher than the other people in the industry that are just teaching information to people is also going to increase. So wherever you are on this page, check out all the details. Register for this. We want to take people who are committed to building their embodied capacity as a world-class coach and helping people with that exact capacity to change their lives. If that sounds like you, register for this Coach's Challenge. I guarantee you in a few short days, you will be elevated, and on the other side of this challenge, you're going to be in a better position to be a successful transformational coach. I'll see you on the inside.